Yeah, outside. Round robin tonight. Mad. Mad. Dallas round robin outside.
You're watching Jamaican Life Abroad TV. Please like, share, and subscribe.
Who's been a fan for Jamaica? We are living on the morning. And I put those at each other. No, what you call it? Just around here, you know. I wanna kill it, I put this party, you know, looking like right now, our party is tonight. Let me go for the real girl, it's not going to party at all. I'm going to attack you. When the ladies from the take a wine, but let the wine up. But can you call the wine up from the party now? No party! Why you listen? Why you listen? But we don't even feel it, you know. When keys there, so... Take a wine, but turn the wine up. Don't rush them ladies, yelling. Some man don't go take the time with the ladies, you know. Don't need to rush off them ladies, just take the time with them. Yeah, we are there, so. Hey, girl. Let me tell you something else here too. Don't get a talk about the top job, but let me not talk about the own stuff. Big up to the ladies that finish the room clean. Any man going in the room that have both the cloth left. Alright ladies, instruction time. Guess what I'm going now? Sit down, right the turn up. Tell you already, it's not an normal family tonight. Alright, so we go to all of the people that are forward tonight. We go to Ivy Orchard here this evening. Yeah, man. It's Dollar Tuesday. Right this Sunday. This Sunday we just beat off my over this Sunday. Right now, busy movement up there. We got mad boss up in the place too. You see me, I say, that man party just as that one. Party not reach nowhere. Just beat off 1 hour but nothing but lady songs. But tonight on the lady party. So don't know the badness going on.
Outside.
Yeah.
Not a
Different kind of ball game tonight. The ladies up there. You
outside.
know what I mean? So right now busy movements.
White revert is made.
Up to the place now.
Let
Okay,
them
vice
take
versa
part.
there.
Straight top control. Tell them.
Busy. Juggling strictly for the ladies.
Still a fan even though it's salty. Hate to see you with somebody, but know you happy. Hate to see you happy if I'm not the one driving. I'm so mature, I'm so mature. I'm so mature as I'm your therapist to tell me there's other men I don't want that, I just want you. And if I can't have you, no one should have mine. I like your eyes, not the best idea. His new girlfriend's next, how I get here. I might kill my friends, I still love him though. Rather be in jail than alone.
Outside.
Sure. Sure. Ready. It's a ladies party, right? Let me check up for the girl then. Come now. Ready. Yo. Ready. Let me get them feel good in that morning. Yo! Don't forget the one. I do attend to one. Start all the girl. Yo! Yes! Let me talk to the girl in that morning. Ready now!
basis. You understand? Big up to the girl, you know you look good. Your name good in a Birmingham. What do I see them? I can't talk to the wife in them one time. Wife, man. I know what's brother. Yes. White material. I know what's look good, girl. Alright, wifey, pop style by your meeting now. Pop style by your meeting, you see your meeting tonight. Every girl now, one brother. And there's the child when you look good, girl. You see the video man over there, so? You see the video man over there, so, girl? Look good, girl. What you gonna do? You have your dirty money. Walk up on the my girl. Again, I make something there. Because the girl, you run the Instagram filter, you look good in a real life.
Walk on.
Every girl now, ready? Blood clot man beaten. Every independent girl must have left yourself and tell her what it is. Hey! What the girl ever look good there? What the look good girl there? Hey, look good girl, but the dance you know. Yeah! Your 9 to 5.
Outside. Yeah. Inside you. Yeah, outside. Jamaican Life Abroad TV. That's you, sir. Outside. Later night. Yeah.
When you tell them you now met the friend from the dirty bitch stop. And I like you. But you don't have a true when you got to you know running for the beach, when the independent girl is hey, we got the woman that side. When you got to you have no time to argue over number of clock, man, you're independent, you're better things to do. Hey, you're not home. Ah, you're the mate to them now. Yeah! You're the mate to them, get real now. Ah, yeah, taco. yourself, let me say. All white material. What the wife in that there? When the girl when your house clean, they must have them in the sea. When the good ass girl there, be your wife, the man first side. No, me like how the wife never go on. But when the girl never know, you don't keep on fuck my girl. Yo! Big up to the proud baby mother them. Big up to the girl that was saying, if you look good, your kids them have to look blood clot better than you. Big up to the girl that know you have your priority them straight. When the proud baby mother them. Why? Ever! Your man! The girl that know you have to walk in cemetery, walk up and down now. The ending up in our follow back on you, my girl. Walk, walk! What if I pass you don't like it? What if I pass you don't like it? I won't there. Tell them this now. If I can't don't like you, tell her. If I can't don't like you. No, I'm going to talk to the girl them. When the girl them know you have good credit, must have black yourself, let me say. When the girl them know you have education, must have black yourself, let me say. When the girl them know no idiot, tell them more than you don't have no time to argue over that man. Tell her, God! Yo! I hold them! The girl never know the boy now. Stress out your life. Free up yourself, my girl. Walk on. Why? Tanika, tell her, girl. Got it. The girl with good credit must have black one more time. Walk on. Woman, you have boy, suck your mother. You more like me. Like me say you're dead. Or you're bad British. You know what me like? So much should I die on that? Watch ya! What is You know you have the biggest spoilers, Benita. Don't do me that one. The 4th October, see you in the party. Benita! Let me tell you about. It's about the believing in myself. Ambition. Some pussy can't check when the boy checks it. Stop coming to your this myself. Blessing this and all night. Let's see how you are your turn. All who need the father. What if you want it? Watch out. Jump to your knees. there. Put up your hand, let me see your good girl. Watching you around here. One side down, put you one side down. You pussy clean down, put you one side down. You wanna be a chick, put you one side down. You know back like your wife, you must have made it. Every girl turn back with clean poo poo, girl turn back with you. Sexy body girl. Come on, turn back with. Give me a preview. Turn back now, what's the little ass?
Thanks for watching Jamaica Life Abroad TV. Please like, share, and subscribe.